country. Alam mo, I've always said this, hindi ko bababuyin ang profession ko, hindi ko iko-corrupt ang profession ko, hindi ko babastusin ang trabaho ko. And that's what I want to tell your audience, no? Kahit ano pa ang trabaho ninyo, you have to love what you do.
Yes.
Ikaw, even as a comedian, God has a purpose for you, right? All of you. And the key is sometimes we forget. We all think we're here, para lang magpayaman, to be famous. Of course, para iahon ang pamilya natin sa kahirapan. That is a part of it. Like ako nang galing sa financial hardships, ang pamilya ko nung college ako. When I started working, talagang I knew, kailangan pamilya ko, iahon ko. Ang sweldo ko, binibigay ko sa tatay at nanay ko. That's why I was so ambitious with my career. I was all about career. Kasi ayoko maging mahirap. Naranasan ko na hirap yung mga magulang ko noon, pambayad ng tuition, etc. But I'm not saying this para po maawa kayo. Hindi yun or it's not that at all. It's a shared experience that we all have. But you see,